my channel. Today I'm gonna make a DIY jelly fruit tutorial. Hope you enjoy. This is what you need. You need plastic foil. It can be any type of plastic foil. And you need a glass. It's better, the wider it is at the top, the better. And you use the plastic foil. You have to cut it off and put it on top of the glass, like I'm doing there. And you need to curve it in so the jelly doesn't fall out. So I have to curve it in. So yeah, it's like a little pocket for the jelly. And then you have to put the jelly in. The camera didn't film when I did it, so you're just gonna see how I wrap it up. You have to bend all of the sides up and twist it so it makes like a little whatever. And then you put a rubber band so it doesn't open, like I'm doing here. It just takes some time, and yeah, it should look like that. And when you're done, you have to put it in the fridge for I don't even know what time. Just check once in a while to see if it's firm. And then you take it out and it's ready to go. Enjoy! Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, and they were very good, so you should maybe try it out yourself. And thanks for watching. Bye.